Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Lincoln MKX guys, and we'll show you guys if your power seats, let's say driver or passenger seat doesn't work guys, which fuses to check. We have two fuses, so make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain where they're located and how to replace them. Also we'll have the replacement fuses guys, and the link to those in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please do check it out. Now we'll show you guys where they're located. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. Let's start on it now. So first guys, you need to open the hood of your Lincoln MKX, and right next to the car battery guys, okay, you have the fuse box located right here. Now, how you open it, that thing, you need to push back, and then at the same time you need to pull the cover up. Check this thing out. Okay, like that. Now, you can twist it sideways and pull it out, like that. If you leave it this way guys, you can see the fuse numbers, and that way they correspond to the fuse numbers here. The only bad part, you don't know what the fuses are for, they just give you numbers. So in today's video guys, we will demonstrate which fuses are actually for the seats guys on your Lincoln guys MKX front seat, and front passenger and front driver seat as well. Now for the driver seat guys, okay, we're looking at fuse number 60 guys. Fuse number 60 right here. This is the fourth fuse. 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can see right here. So let me show you now, okay, how we're going to remove that one, and I'll show you which one is for the passenger seat in a second. So the fourth fuse, 30 amp. Now if you need replacement fuses guys, we have them in the description of the video below, so please check out the video. Now this fuse guys, okay, usually you can tell if it's burned by looking at the screen sometimes, okay, and you see if the element is burnt or not. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, so let me show you how you test those. Okay, we get a voltmeter guys, and if you're considering having a good voltmeter that's not very expensive, check this thing out guys. You can find the link in the description of the video. This is one of the best voltmeters that I've used, and it comes with a true RMS, so it's simply amazing tool. And now if we go to ohms, and then we go to click to check fuses connection, okay, if the fuse is good guys, it will be like touching these two together. There will be communication and an audible sound. Now let's check it out. Nothing. I'll grab a new fuse guys. Okay, let me show you now. And this one works great, as you can see. So definitely guys, in our case it's a bad fuse, okay, causing our driver seat not to work. I'll go ahead, push it in. Now which fuse guys is actually for the passenger seat guys? For the passenger seat, okay, it will be fuse number 61. So 1 2 3 4 5 guys, fuse number 5. The one next to the driver seat, okay, this is driver seat, this is passenger seat, so we know guys which one to expect. Okay, you can see it like that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching guys, and see you guys next time.